Today we're going over how to day trade using the Robinhood app. You can do this on mobile or PC. It's whatever, as long as you got Robinhood. So the best way to day trade is to know what you're looking at first of all. So let's look at the charts. This is my watch list for this week. If we look at these charts, and if you want to day trade Amazon, we can see right here, this is going to bounce off resistance. It already started. So if you would take a buy-in Monday morning, we can take this up to this high. These are all previous highs. If you look at the trend right here, let's check it out. There's a nice little trend with the bounce. And then same with over here, there's a high trend. So we can literally take this right up. We can see tomorrow morning, it's gonna resist off here, so it's gonna go down again, and then it'll break through, and we can take it to this new level. That's what I'm looking at for Amazon. HD, this is a pretty easy one to look at. If you see, it's been just going up and down, bouncing off resistance. It's actually holding this resistance right here. We can see this coming low in the morning, maybe to 213, get a buy-in, and you could hold this. This would be a hold. Amazon would be a quick day trade because you can buy in at the low and then sell it at resistance, which would be 1770. It'll resist off. You can get a buy-in end day and then take it higher. And then this is Cena. We don't got nothing. We ain't looking at nothing yet. We do see a valid breakout, but if you would buy this Monday morning, you take this to 37. That's all. For Cena, you can do some options on Cena. Pretty cheap. I recommend if you're day trading, you do about 3 to 6 weeks out. Okay, January 17th, that's, I guess that'd be minimum. And then, yeah, you just check this out. Check the volume on it. It's got high volume. It's a good one to get. Doesn't have enough volume. So yeah, this seems like a pretty solid trade to get in right here. Let me see, December 20th. That's about 3 weeks. And not much volume. Yeah, nothing. So yeah, Cena, this call would be a good validation. Let me see this Amazon calls. You can do this on mobile. I'm using my laptop just because I don't like trading on mobile. We do about, I don't know, since it's Amazon, I would not have enough money to trade this anyways. But yeah, if you see the volume, it is hella expensive. Check it out. If I was getting an Amazon, I would get one of these calls up here. You see the volume is still pretty high. Yeah, this is probably the one to get right here. Let me see. 180. Oh, this is a perfect call. Look at the volume on that. 1200. Anything above 1,000 volume, you probably want to buy. Yes, you can do a quick day trade on this one right here. No, it wasn't that one. Where's that? I can't even find it now. Oh, it's right here. But yeah, you can probably get in a lower price. You see this one's 180, this one's 180. Probably get this under 150. So yeah, that's a day trade on Amazon. And if you guys want to see me day trade live, whatnot, let me know in the comments below. I'll do a little day trading live for y'all. We could see PayPal is gonna break the trend. Honestly, I could see this breaking to about this level right here, and then we can take it up. And then if you're in any of these moves, I'm taking this all the way to 5. I just got in this move, trying to take this to the 26th day. So yeah, those are the trades for the week. That's all I'll be in. The only thing I'll be trading. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I try to post financial education videos maybe 2 to 3 times a week. So thanks.